Frutti di mare.
Frutti di mare, seafood pasta.
Some scallops.
Yep.
Is that a scallop or is that a
Mussel.
mussel?
Ooh, this is the risotto. So nicely
There comes
done.
oh, look
Oh my
at that.
goodness.
Sea bass.
With that gold-plated, edible gold-plated gills.
Yeah.
Gills. Yes. It is the kind of food that you have to photograph. There's no other way.
Absolutely.
It looks so good.
So much theater about this. I mean, those gold gills are just
100%.
using edible gold.
Yeah, so good. And nicely made, you know. Like,
लाहौर में आप ये तो एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि अच्छी फिश मिल जाए, अच्छे प्रॉन्स मिल जाएं, मगर scallops and oysters and
mussel.
mussels, you don't expect that.
I am ready, sir. Are you ready?
Destroying their presentation, but
It must be. So good, you guys. I mean, I've almost run out of adjectives because we've been eating such good food everywhere we go. But again, really good. Really good, really light, really nicely made with love, attention, and good ingredients. Nicely sourced ingredients, you know? Ooh. May I?
go ahead.
It's looking so pretty that it's one of those things कि you know उसको खाने से पहले पूछना पड़ेगा.
कुछ चीज़ों की पैकिंग इतनी अच्छी होती है आपको
हाँ.
पैकेट खोलने का दिल नहीं करता. It's like that.
So good. So good.
And I think that's watercress with little pieces of beetroot. Lovely. Attention to detail. Oh,
So nicely made now. Seared on top, soft on the inside, a little crispy too.
very good.
Very nice. Fresh. I have a thing. It's okay. If the fish is not fresh, जितनी अच्छी होती है जब वो फ्रेश होती है वो उतनी बुरी होती है अगर वो फ्रेश नहीं होती. So it's like one extreme to another and मुझ में ये खौफ होता है कि if the fish smells even a little, I can't have it. And this is good.
It might just be the best thing we've had today.
Possibly the best thing we've had.
At Coco.
Yes.
Now that looks like a proper Napolitani pizza.
Oh, so good.
And ये उस तरह का पिज़्ज़ा जिसको मैं कांटे से खा सकता हूँ
हाँ है तो.
अपने तरीके से.
मैं तो दूर से देख सकती हूँ इस किस्म का पिज़्ज़ा कि मैंने इतना खाया है कि मैं इसको देख सकती हूँ और चांस लूँगी खाऊँगी. I'm trying to keep up with Faizan.
Very simple pizza sauce made with freshly squeezed tomatoes.
I'm just
Nice
gonna
bit of cheese
break it
on
out from here.
The bready bit is looking quite
The bready bit is looking good.
right.
And the lightness of being
Yeah. Uncomplicated.
an uncomplicated pizza. The
No processed cheese in this.
पत्तों के साथ मिक्स करके ना the fragrance of the patta itself.
Basil.
So good.
Panna cotta.
Looks so good.
And that's the tiramisu.
Ooh. Thank you so much, sir.
Bahut shukriya.
Oh,
That's
lovely.
our final round. And I'm actually quite relieved to see it.
Yes.
क्योंकि, something not
Something not savory.
Yeah.
Something else now. A little bit of sweet, a little bit of niceness, a little bit of
end
chocolate.
it all. पाकिस्तान के डिजर्ट्स में मुझे पहला मसला ये होता है कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा मीठे होते हैं. इसमें जो मीठे का लेवल है, परफेक्ट.
Now,
Perfect.
now
बहुत हल्का मीठा है.
the tiramisu.
Oh, this is superb, yeah. This is superb.
So is this. So is this. It's silky. It's silky and smooth and it's just like going away. Look at that.
The panna cotta was absolutely exquisite. I'm loving everything about this restaurant. Look at the way it's plated. They've used a different textured plate for this. They're using a smooth one for that.
Presentation, 100%.
A lot of thought has gone into the presentation alone, let alone the taste.
Taste was absolutely remarkable.
Superb.
Really, truly, considering how full we've been eating all day and now ending our night here. But ये ज़रूर कहूँगी कि जितना खाकर हम यहाँ पर आए हैं, this has still been one of the nicest experiences.
It really
So,
has.
and we're, you know, by night time when you've eaten since morning, you tend to get a little exhausted. But it's kind of
It's
given our
refreshed us.
palate a new life in the sense meaning कि it's kind of gotten our senses awakened again कि ठीक है, this is amazing. So it's been one of the finer experiences and I'm again extremely excited by this entire scene that's evolving now in Lahore regarding
आप
food.
जब इटली में किसी अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट पे जाते हैं, the first thing that gets you is the freshness of everything.
Yeah.
And that's true this Italian restaurant as well.
Well done, you guys.
Very happy to see it happening in Pakistan.
Well done.
Good job.